How to recover deleted drafts on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. After that, you'll find this kind of screen. Click on Account Center at the top. Then scroll down and click on Your Information and Permissions. Click on Export Your Information. After you've clicked on Export Your Information, it will lead you to this page. Click on Create Export. Then click on Instagram. Click on Export to Device. Here, click on Customize Information. And then clear all. And then search for media in here and make sure you have media ticked. And then press on Save at the bottom. You can select date range as well. After you do that, press on Start Export at the bottom. You will need to add your password. After you have added your password, you will find all your exported information in your mail. Or you will also find it here in Export Your Information. You can simply click on it and you will find your deleted drafts. And this is how to recover deleted drafts on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.